Steph Curry is the greatest shooter God ever created.
I'm wondering, is it time to start putting him as the best player of all time?
Deli almost died guarding Steph Curry. No, literally almost died.
100 shots, I know you ain't alive. Didn't even make the news yet, but I know that died.
Like, bro, he put bullets in us, bro. Like, what y'all mean? It's not cool. Foul him. Hit him.
When you see me, don't blink or stop.
Curry thought about three, he'll put up a three.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna hold you. Hey, I had to do it, bro. I know. I had to do it, bro. Hey, that last one, hey, I dropped the ball on that last one. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, that last Curry, I dropped the ball on that one, bro. I don't know, but I had to drop another one, bro. My last, hey, y'all already know it's my last Curry. You know, 2K25 pretty much over, but I had to drop another Curry. I told you I was gonna drop another Curry, bro. That feedback from that last one, I had to get another one popping. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Hey, let's get it, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Hey, Steph Curry, bro. Yes, sir. Steph Curry, bro. Hey, the real one, the upgrade, new one, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it, the new one, whatever, upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Steph Curry threw me for a loop this year. But yeah, I had to do it, hey, because I'm a Steph Curry fan, so I had to do it again, bro. I had to drop one. I had to drop one for the people, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got you. My bad. I dropped my bad. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get it, though. You see it. Hey, Curry, hey, the new upgrade. Hey, you see it. Hey, let me go to the light. Let me go to the light. You know, it's a little dark over there. To the light. You see it? Yeah, Steph Curry, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, my Steph Curry. You know what I'm saying? Take people out there, threads, though. You know what I'm saying? Little side, carry on, all that. Yes, sir. You see people out there, threads, the jerseys, shorts, the handband, the head, you know, the wrist thing. You know what it is, bro. Yes, sir. Steph Curry in the building, bro. We here, bro. We here, bro. Curry, bro. It's Curry, bro. It's Curry. I had to. I had to. Let's get in, though. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Hey, okay. It looked like him. You know what I'm saying? It looked just like it, bro. We better. I had to clean up from the last, bro. That last spill, I had to clean up, though. You know what I'm saying? I had to clean up, bro. Curry. Right there. Bam! Curry. You know what I'm saying? I had to clean up on that last. You know what I'm saying? Yo. I had to clean up on that last one, bro. I'm like, okay. Ooh, okay. 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 Come in green. Yeah. Curry, bro. Curry. That's Curry, bro. That's Curry. You know what I'm saying? It's Curry, bro. Let's go. Yeah, if you go to the face creation, hey, that's Curry, bro. We go. Let's get to the face creation. Hey, alright, bro. This is the face I'm gonna use right here, bro. I know what y'all thinking. Yeah, we go rock this face. I had to try different. I had to try a different face. But let's get it though. This is the face right here. I'm gonna start with Steph Curry right here, you know what I'm saying? You see it, the features and details. I mean, let's get it in. I mean, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, let go, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it in. Alright, for the hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the crop 6 for Steph. We can do brown, no texture, all the way down, you know what I'm saying? For the Steph fans. I had to do another one for you guys, man. Just, you know, I'll love. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do crop 6, keep that joint brown. We're gonna do skull 4. We're gonna do 8, 13, and 9. That was skull 4. Brow default. We're gonna do 20, 18, 1, and 0. Keep that default. That's perfect the way it is. Eyebrows, keep them thin. So we go eyebrows 3. We can go dark blonde for the definition purposes. You dig? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so we got ears 5. We're gonna do 10, 11, 15, and 16. Savvy, yes sir. Yes, sir. All right, got to keep it breezy one time for the one time. 6. We're gonna do. I'm gonna do gray this time. I mean, you can do whatever color eyes you want. I'm sorry. I usually do hazel, but I'm gonna rock with gray. Or you can do. I mean, it's curry, man. You can do whatever eyes you want. I'm gonna do gray. This for me. I'm gonna do gray. I'm gonna do 8, 13, 0, none, 12, 0, and 0. So it's I6, 8, 13, 0, none, 12, 0, 0. And that was I6. No face paint needed. For the nose, I'm going to do nose 22. We're going to do 20, 5, 12, 20, 20, and 18. Savvy, yes sir. Yes sir. Alright, you got that for the nose. Cheeks, we're going to do cheeks 2. We're going to do 20 and 2. And that was cheeks 2. Mouth, we're going to do mouth 9. We're going to do mouth 9, 4, 0, 0, 0, 18, and 7. That was mouth 9. Let's get the teeth. Facial hair, we're going to do beard style 7. We're going to do light brown and stubble 7. That's for the beard. Chin, to help out the beard, we're going to do default. We're going to do 0, 20, 17, 3, and 4. And it's default for the chin. Skin complexion would be 16. And be done. You know what I'm saying? Keep that simple, bro. You know, Steph Curry, you know what I'm saying? The upgrade, the last Steph Curry. I'm going to call it the last Steph Curry, you know what I'm saying? For 2K25. Let go. I ain't gonna hold you, know what I'm saying? The detail. You see it? Yes. Hey, NBA 2K25. Steph Curry, man. I had to do it one time for the one time. You know what I'm saying? One time for one time. One more time. Hey, let's go, bro. It is. Hey, Steph Curry been. Hey, yeah. Steph Curry been throwing me to the winger, bro. Like, bro been. Yeah. This one here. Yeah. Hey, it is what it is. Let go. Hey, put some Warriors gear on the boy. Get his gear right. Take it to the rig. Get them threes on deck. You know what I'm saying? Take it to the streets. All that. Green up. Have some fun. It's 2K. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's always hoops, man. We always hooping, man. We hoopers, bro. We do. You know what I'm saying? Get some hoops in. It is what it is. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for all the love and the comments, man. I'm going to get it right. I'm working for y'all, man. I got y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hit that notification because the bangers on the way. Y'all be easy. Peace. Man, let's get some more bangers.